Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the live broadcast of the tennis this afternoon with Victor Alisbury. You can call me Alwis. With Kobe, Critical Air Studio program in semester 4. Okay, good afternoon. We together for the moment with very table tennis. And what will complete is the afternoon is Aurel Post from Citrapakti. He is full of energy and his will concept adjust of Aurel is learner from Samuel High School also as is very service and experiment this will very tense. She will come out the winner and the next the afternoon is a good time was there. Thank you.